Hello, friends, welcome to another episode. When you are going somewhere, or when you are sitting, or when you are sleeping, this kind of thought it keeps coming to everyone, irrespective of any age. Like, I should have done this, I should have heard to my mind. Otherwise, it works in the other way. Like, I was wanted to do, but I know something really came into my mind that I couldn't get focus or couldn't get this done. So now I'm suffering. You know, irrespective of age, we come across these kind of things. That means it is very clearly done that we are not controlling our mind. Very simple. So if one can control, then the next answer would be like, I knew this will happen. I knew 100% I'll get this. I knew 100% I'll be like this. Very successful, very healthy, very happy, very debt free. All these things. Okay, what to do to control our mind? I tell you a small example, then you know how to control your mind. Example, let's just get to the best. You're going to Switzerland by aircraft. Excellent, first class. Okay, when you're traveling, okay, in the middle of crossing over the Europe, suddenly you will have some kind of turbulence happening. Like you couldn't sit in the thing, just going up and down. Think about what kind of a thought process will come to you. First question will just come to the question. Am I right sitting in this position that I have to go through this? Or the second thing is that there is some problem with the aircraft or the pilot. There are only two probabilities. Either you are in the wrong place or something is wrong with the aircraft or the things. But in that state, okay, you'll be going across this thing. By God's grace, you land in Swiss and have a great time. But coming back to the same point. In our life also, we come across so many turbulences. So one question you should ask is it because of me or because of my thought process? Be very clear. Be very clear. See, if you can understand this anecdote, then everything gets simplified. Only thing is that when you are sitting in the same aircraft, in the super seat, the first class, executive class, your only thing is that do not worry, things will be happening. What God creates, He disposes. So I should be very happy, I should be landing in a very proper way because I believe God and the pilot and the aircraft. Same thing. When some kind of a negative thoughts come to your thing, the first thing you will have to tell to your mind is that do not worry, this too shall pass and I will be very successful. Let it be anything, let it be career, let it be money, let it be any kind of a problem in life, let it even be health. Do not worry, everything will be alright. So, this is the kind of command you should have to give to your mind. See, you cannot go and say, hey, this flight is not going good, I think I will fly this aircraft. You will never say that. Same thing. You tell your mind that mind is different, but I am what I am. So I will command to my mind that I have to be like this. So once you start doing the same way of thing, nothing is in my control, but I can control my mind. Once you start controlling your mind, everything got simplified. Let it be anything, everything is achieved. But if you lose control of your mind, say like, you're sitting in a horse, if you don't hold the leash, what happens? It will just go haywire. Everywhere it will just jump everything. Even if my even fall down, like Superman, I don't know about the hero name. He fell down, he broke his back and he was always in the chair all his rest of his life in past way also. Remember? See, this all, when you don't hold your leash, same thing is in life. Whatever it is, control your mind. Give a positive. See, in the whole world, everybody talks only about negative. Oh, this lakhs of corona people have died or somebody got it. You just think about how many lakhs of people have come out of it. He got corona. I think I'm also getting something. It should be like that. Don't correlate all this negative to negative. Try to think negative and negative will make positive. Same thing. You also give your command to yourself that everything is for good. Nothing is going to happen. I'm going to be good, and whatever I'm thinking perfectly, it 100% will happen. So just try to have faith in yourself. Once you have faith in yourself, once you have confidence in yourself, your thought process will go to the next level. So the next time when your mind starts giving a lot of noise, try to make a tune and make a beautiful song. Okay. Same thing in life. Do the best, command the best, think the best, be always positive. Okay. Till then, I'll see you another episode. Thank you.